Padmaja, according to latest information that we are getting at this moment, we have an inside scoop on what the government is planning. As of now, from what we are given to understand, the government is planning action on those accountable within the NTA, the autonomous body that conducts the NEET exams. These individuals, there has been an internal inquiry and there have been some steps taken in order to find and fix the responsibility, and at this moment there seems to be indication of some acts of omission and commission by the top brass of the NTA, which is the national agency for conducting these examinations. At 7 p.m. this evening, HRD Minister, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is expected to address a media briefing, and we understand it could be possibly action taken that will be announced at this press conference. NTA chief could be on his way out. What is the action? We'll have to wait and watch, but definitely accountability fixing exercise has been conducted internally, and the government has taken a serious view on the manner in which the response from the NTA has been to the paper leak allegations, as well as the manner in which grace marks were being given out, and also the question relating to 44 students where NCERT's two versions of an answer were taken. So all of this being part of the inquiry, and time probably coming for action to be taken. How many people, top brass of the NTA, how many more in the ministry, we'll have to wait and watch, but clearly taking advantage of elections and a government in transition. There have been some very crucial points that have been missed by the NTA, and clearly once the government takes that decision, this will be announced, and I'm being told that it is a matter of a few hours when this decision will be taken. We're also being given to understand that it's not only the fact that the noose is tightening and heads are likely to roll. On the 23rd of June, there is the examination for the 1,563 of those people who got grace marks because of the centers where the paper was delayed. The government does not want this examination and its preparation to go awry and conduct this in an absolutely above board manner. So all eyes are on the 23rd examination for NEET. Also, the government has done an internal inquiry, and the compromise of any paper leak or any transgressions that may have taken place seems to be restricted to 30 to 40 students. And given the fact that it's only 30 to 40 students who may be quote-unquote benefiting from the paper leak or the malpractices, it is difficult for the government to take an action to cancel the examination, in which 13 lakh students out of the 24 odd lakh students who appeared for this exam have made it to merit lists of various colleges. To jeopardize the future of these 13 lakh students would be rather against the principles of natural justice, and which has been the biggest issue that the government has been tackling with. And the final choice, it remains to be seen what it will be, but the fact is the government seems to be absolutely certain now that the malpractices restricted to 30 to 40 students could mean that the government will not cancel the NEET as a whole. Some corrective measures for the 44 students who have got got 720 because of the grace marks in the NCRT interpretation questions, may lose 4 marks, come back to 716, but that still keeps them in the merit list and does not impact their futures. But cancelling the exam would mean 13 lakh students affected, and that's something that the government wants to avoid at all circumstances at this point in now, at all costs, because they do not want to jeopardize the future of these 13 lakh students. So for now, heads are likely to roll. News is tightening. Top brass of the NTA in trouble. The autonomous body, did it keep the government in the dark? Did it not share all the details of the malpractices with the government? Well, that's what the inquiry is on at this moment. But certain, for now, I can tell you that heads are going to roll, and it's going to happen in a few hours from now. Will it be at the 7 p.m. press conference of the minister? We'll wait and watch, but action being taken. Of course, political questions also being raised, and the political slugfest between the India Alliance, between Rahul Gandhi and the name of Tejasvi Yadav, the Mantri ji coming up. All of these issues will be fought on the battleground of politics, but for now, 13 lakh students possibly will be saved from reappearing for the NEET exam. And for now, heads in the NTA likely to roll. Over to you, Padmaja.
Big takeaway of this big story being broken on Times Now. No mood to throw the baby out with the bathwater. Accountability is going to be fixed. That's the big story that we are breaking on the channel. And Navika, what was it about the NTA's role that really put the focus squarely on them to the extent that now heads are likely to roll? What were the actions, or rather the inaction, that the government has now wisened up to?
For one, Padmaja, while the details are still being kept as a closely guarded secret, but for one, the NTA has not come clean on the details of the malpractices. Even some of the correspondence between the Bihar government, Bihar police, and the NTA, they have kept the ministry in the dark, they've kept the government in the dark. That appears to be at least something that we are gathering as of now. Apart from that, the fact that a decision was taken to give grace marks to the 1,563 students based on a Supreme Court verdict on CLACT, which is an online exam, which is different from the NEET, which is actually an answer sheet that is answered by students. So, the variables are different, and the manner in which that judgment was used to do arbitrary grace marking for over 1,500 students hasn't gone down well, and that's been something that the Supreme Court has also wrapped the government on the knuckles with and ordered a retest. So the retest happening on 23rd, the fact that the entire investigation details that was sought by the Bihar government, Bihar police, were not shared. The ministry was and the government was kept in the dark. These are some of the things that we are gathering at this moment. More details are likely to come out in the near future. But for now, it's very certain that heads are going to roll, whether it will be in the NTA alone, whether it will involve other organizations, or we'll have to wait and watch. Whether it will include the ministry, we don't know. But the fact of the matter is that NTA certainly will be the place where the buck will need to come and stop. And since this is an autonomous body, was the status of an autonomous body misused by individuals in this body is something that is being investigated into, and that probably the reason why the buck will stop at the NTA. That is the big breaking news coming in at this moment, Padmaja. But serious action, possible attempts by the government to restore confidence in the examination system. NEET exam scheduled for the 1,563 students on 23rd to be on track, and the fact that heads will roll, accountability will be fixed is something that the government is now just on the cusp of doing. How soon, what exactly, we'll tell you in the next few minutes. But for now, to my mind, the NTA top brass is in trouble the way I'm reading the writing on the wall.